You guys are getting definitely better. I really like, again, all the little details, everything. You guys really make everything so nice. I see all the slides and all the videos. This is just awesome. All of you guys, you're putting so much heart into it, and I can feel it. And then honestly, at this point, I don't care what seminar you're gonna make, Andro. Like, if it's about shit, I will be there. You almost did something like this in Kovacevica, so I'm all in. Go for it. I'm gonna be there.
Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. It's true. We put like a lot of attention to detail because we want to respect ourselves and because we want to offer you guys like the maximum fucking value we possibly can.